That's important. Next, it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay then, let me admire its beauty for a second. That looks gorgeous. That looks gorgeous. I love it. Data and privacy. Face ID. Continue. There's option to add glasses. Create a passcode. But everything here looks so clean that choose how you want to transfer apps and move data from Android. That's nice. If you have an Android phone or tablet, you can transfer your photos, messages, and more. Download the Move to iOS app on your device. Okay, let me do that. Two-factor authorization, so the message was sent to my MacBook Air. Terms and conditions. It may take up to a few minutes. Let's see if I remember the password. Yeah, make this your new iPhone. Here's everything set up as you had it on your Mac. Keep your iPhone up to date. The latest features. I agree. Yeah, use it. iPhone Analytics. Yeah, why not? Share with others. I agree. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up. So yeah, that's a brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max in green version. No notifications. Battery 93%. I had to admit that this looks awesome. And I already love that phone, even though I haven't used that. Yeah, Face ID works perfectly fine. It unlocks my phone immediately, even when my face is hidden behind the camera. Allow setup later. Maybe I forgot one thing. I also want to put my case on from Spigen. This one is ultra hybrid. Okay. Clear case, just, you know, to protect my phone. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, every button works fine. You can see here how it looks. You can see here there is a logo of Spigen or Spigen, I don't know. Place for loading. And there are also these little bumps here on the corner that makes phone really, like, yeah, even if I try to move it. Oops. That probably means I need to redo my screen protector. Great. So that would be it for today's video. I will let you know how it goes later in my next videos, and I will use it to record my next videos from my travels. So yeah, you will probably notice the difference. This video is probably the last video with use of my old phone, so yeah.